ADworld Experience has been one of my favorite conferences that I've ever been to, and I've been to quite a few.
Oh, it's one of the best PPC events in Europe, if not the world.
It's a really, really cool opportunity for me to, come here to Bologna, meet marketers from all around the world.
Come to this event if you have any interest in PPC.
To learn about the latest in digital marketing.
And then, of course, it's Bologna, right? We have the sunshine, the city, the food, the wine.
It definitely adds to the atmosphere.
ADworld Experience is great to meet other PPC specialists.
There's people from America, Slovenia, like everywhere, all over the world.
And also, of course, the sessions are good.
The talks are great, all kind of new ideas.
But also, the motivation and inspiration to take actions.
Live case studies and a panel where you actually rate people's ad accounts and go through them live.
People whipping out laptops and writing a bit of code or making changes to the account. I love seeing the light bulb go on in people's eyes when you teach them something they didn't know before. And, not only can I see the value in this, but I can use it straight away. It's one of the reasons that people get out from behind the desks and come to an event like this.
Our clients might be different, business models might be different, the products we sell might be different, but we're all kind of facing similar challenges in the transformation of this, this landscape, this market, and it's been really awesome to hear how everybody's approaching it. And I'm certainly taking a lot back to the United States with me from this experience.
Don't think about it, just book your ticket.